We've gotten so used to standing at the smartboard and recording video lessons that we've forgotten the timeless masterpiece technology of the overhead projector. That's right, the Apollo Quantum 16,000 overhead projector. There is no better way to teach a technique than by showing examples, and the overhead projector allows you to do multiple examples without erasing your work, in case you want to look back over your previous work. And you can do all of this while sitting down in front of the class. It delivers up to 2,000 lumens to deliver bright, crystal clear projections onto the screen. For just $264.99, your classroom can have its very own Apollo Quantum 16,000 overhead projector from Staples. See individual store for details on